Last week I sent out a video using the paste special function in Excel. And at the end of the video we looked at how you can use paste special with mathematical operators. But thank you to two of you, my eagle-eyed Exceliers, because you pointed out an error to me which I didn't even spot that was in the video. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at paste special using mathematical operators. We look at the error from last week and how this error happened, and we will also look at how you can use mathematical operators in your paste special. So last week we had this table of data, and I showed you that if we copied the value, the total value from Q1, and we will paste the value, and if we copy this value and come down here and say paste special and select paste special, and this time we add and we select OK. Now the value that I have got here is correct. However, if you had other things in this worksheet, this value might not be correct. So what has happened is we have taken the 17121, which is correct, but when we took the second value, it didn't take the second value as such, it took a range of cells. Now the reason this has happened is this cell here, our B11 cell, is a formula, and our formula is a range of 3 cells. And then when we copied the formula using our paste special, it actually copied the formula to show that it was 3 cells above. We haven't locked in any cell references here. So if we copy this formula in a normal situation, so let's copy this formula and let's paste it down here. And we have 0 because we have pasted the formula being 3 cells above. So when we pasted the formula using paste special into our total, it's pasted a sum, but it's summing the 3 cells above. So in essence, that formula, that paste special that I showed you was incorrect. So how do you overcome this? So what you can do is you can lock in your cell references. So that means they don't move in the formula. So if you press F4, you can lock in the cell references into your formula. That means if you copy this formula and paste it somewhere else, it doesn't really matter where you paste the formula because the particular cells have actually been locked into place. So now if we copy the second value and we do a paste special, and we add the values together, and I'll just press F2 to make the cell active, we can see that the sum that has been copied into this particular cell has locked in the cell references. The second way to overcome this, and if I remove the locked cell references, the second way to overcome this, so if we copy this and come down and paste special, this time if you paste add, and if you also paste values, because we had pasted all, and then select OK, you're not copying a formula, you're only copying values, and the function will work correctly. I just want to show you one more quick use of the paste special with operators. Let's say you wanted to increase all of these values very quickly by 10%. What you would do is you would multiply them by 1.1 to increase it by 10%. So if we copy this 1.1 and I come over here and I highlight the cells and I say paste special and paste special, and this time if I multiply all of them by the 1.1 and select OK, we have very quickly increased all of our values by the same amount. So thank you very much for the two of you eagle-eyed Exceliers, you know who you are, that pointed out to me that there seemed to be a problem with the previous video. This is how you solve the problem, a problem that I hadn't noticed when you're copying formulas. So thank you very much for that.